38%, 40%. So we made a nice $200 on the day. We reject not only this resistance level, but we also rejected this EMA. SPY is not below support yet on the 5 minutes. Here it goes. The 5 minutes gets a candle close below. Look at how the drop looks. Nice entry for some downside action. And morning, my fellow traders, and welcome back to another live trading session, another live vlog video of what it's like to be a day trader. Currently, market is taking a fat hit. Everything is going major sell-off right now. Now, I did enter some riven calls here. I'm gonna show you guys the setup. I'm not a swing trader, so this is my first swing trade of 2025. And last year, I barely swing trade at all. To be honest, probably about like 3 to 5 swing trades throughout the whole year, because swing trading is not my game. I'm a day trader. And speaking of day trades, I just missed a quick in and out on SPX. The contracts are already went from 500 to 710. Let me show you guys why I'm in these riven calls, and also let me show you guys the market too, because the whole market is selling off like crazy right now. The whole market as a whole, and you guys can see everything is selling off bad. I mean, that's fat red candles across the board. Besides Apple, somehow Apple is about to sell off now, but everything else is going crazy here. So I did enter some riven calls. I was up 22%. Now I'm down 10%. Only $15. I'm in for almost $100. I bought these contracts for $46 and I bought 2 of them. So this is the weekly time frame right here. You guys can see nice little breakout here. I entered on the pullback, so I actually got a decent entry, because if I would have entered on the breakout, I'd probably be down real bad right now. But this is the best I can get right here. This is the retest. So breakout, pullback, and then here's today's market open, pulling back to that retest, and that's where I'm in. Now, it did push up and try to go for a breakout again, and that's where I saw 22%, but I'm currently down 10%. Everybody in the Discord is freaking printing today. I haven't even took a trade yet other than this swing. Landry is up 375, got Visual up 177 off Nvidia, and Stormy Myth up 105 off SPX. Guys, everybody's just freaking printing today. Chat is going crazy. Everybody's talking, and look at this. He's already off Google alone, which we've been talking about Google. Whole chat was watching Google. He's up 340 off Google. But guys, come on. That's why you guys got to join the Discord. Look how much people are chatting it up, constantly talking, sharing ideas, talking about trading all day, every day. Not forget GU trades. Look at 280 on the day, 2% move. Everybody is printing today, besides me. I mean, I probably will enter some SPX back to the downside on this level and take some 5,900 contracts. They're pulling back here, so now they're at 275 a piece. So we'll see what we can catch today. 38%, 40%, 120 off SPX puts, and we're still in them. We're gonna do our best to hold again, guys, just like yesterday. Even if it comes back up a little bit, worst case scenario, we sell for break even or $0. So we're currently at 40% now. Market needs to drop here. SPY is losing that support. There could potentially be a double bottom here, so we got to be very mindful of that. We're seeing 40%, which is a very good gain. The market can lose the support, and if we lose the support, we can see a fat drop. Collected out, nice $125 off. No, nice $150 off SPX, but we're down $25 off riven, so we're only up 125 on the day, and we're swinging these riven calls right here, so you guys can see. That was a nice trade. Followed the market momentum to the downside, and currently it's falling hard. So we exited these contracts at 460, got in at 310. Now they're currently at 510. Re-entered on SPY. Now we did trade SPX at first, but now we traded SPY. So we made a nice $200 on the day, except this riven contract that I'm in is down 25%, or else I'd be up a nice $200 on the day, but this riven one got me down. Now, I did re-enter some SPY contracts here on this retest here, and then it did put me down 12%, but we're still below the 9 EMA, or this EMA cloud that I have, which really is just 9 and 21 EMA running together. And you guys can see, we rejected not only this resistance level, but we also rejected this EMA area as well. So I entered here, as close as I can to the resistance, was down 12% when it came up here to this resistance area at the very top. And then we sold for a nice gain here. So here are my contracts. So as you can see, I did enter riven in the first 15 minutes of market being open, just for a swing trade all the way to March. And then I entered some SPX, sold them from 310 to 460 for a $150 gain. Then I entered some SPY contracts here for 146, bought another one for 140, and sold both of them at 168 for a nice gain, guys. Somebody in the Discord asked me how I entered, if I can do a quick recap, and if I give them an example of a 15-minute breakdown with a 5-minute entry. Because what I told them, mind you, everybody was looking to go long for a quick second, but I was looking at 15 minutes on SPY, and I'm like, you know what? 15 minutes on this candle is breaking below the support. Yeah, it broke below here, and if you would have entered here for a retest, you would have got wrecked on this candle here. But here we are, a strong break below again. Market's already trending down super hard as well, so I enter on the retest as best as I could, as close as I can to the resistance. And again, we sold off, just got a nice gain, and that's the reason why I watched the 15-minute time frame. A lot of new traders like to watch the 1-minute time frame, but to be honest, I find my trades on the 15-minute time frame, and I enter on the 5 minutes as well, just to watch for lower time frame action. But overall, I like the 15-minute time frame. And again, it looks like it's gonna drop one more time. We gave him the breakdown. This is the sauce in 3 photos, and you guys can see it too here. SPY is not below support yet on the 5 minutes. 15 minutes looks very bullish though. Look at lost support, weak buyer candles, can enter off a 5-minute close below support, guys. This is how you break it down. Then here it goes. The 5 minutes gets a candle close below. There's the 5-minute candle close below. Plus the 15 minutes just candle close below. Candle close too as well below all these candles. This is a breakout to the downside, and I'm trying to tell y'all, this is how I trade, and this is how I spot trades, because this is how I read price action. So not only is the 15 minutes plus the 5 minutes both closing here, but also the 5 minutes gets a candle close. You can enter puts here. Look at how the drop looks. Nice entry for some downside action, and again, it's still dropping, guys. That is how you do it. It's very simple. Plus, not only that, that's very simple, just reading SPY. But in order to do that, you also need to read the whole market as a whole. Look at SPX. SPX is losing this level here. Most likely what's going to happen is SPYs are also going to drop too very hard. NVIDIA is just ranging on support, which is fine. AMD too as well. But some other stocks like Apple and QQ are dropping below. They're dropping pretty hard. And now look at the whole market. Guys, this is very simple. This is how I do the does it. This is how I do the does it. Gonna wrap it up there, but guys, do not forget to join the Discord, guys. It's so popping. Everybody's talking in here. We have almost 140 people in this Discord, and it is so active. I mean, non-stop messages. It's small enough to where your messages don't get buried, but it's big enough to where there's a lot of different people talking. It's very active, and the time is currently 9:54 a.m. and I'm just gonna wrap it up here, guys, because to be honest, I'm not gonna trade anymore. I made a nice $200 on the day. Currently up 190, but I'm still in my SPX, or sorry, my Rivian calls for the upside, and I'm just gonna manage that, and hopefully it closes out nicely on the day as far as the candle. So I'm just gonna manage that, watch the daily candle, and make sure in the 4-hour time frame and the weekly and all the good stuff, just to make sure it's going in my favor. And guys, we are moving out here soon within the next month, so it will be nice. I'm gonna take you guys along that journey, and I appreciate everybody watching, guys. We're at 825 subscribers, 238 Discord members, and I appreciate everybody showing the love, everybody commenting down, showing the support. I love trading SPX. SPX is probably one of my favorites if you can catch the right move, of course, which is why I didn't trade it on the second time, because I wasn't too confident, but I'm glad I traded SPY. Either way, guys, I hope you guys have been killing it. It is the 4th day, I believe, trading for 2025, and we have been straight green every single day. Almost $100 every single day of the week. Besides, yesterday was only $75 a day, since unfortunately I was up 40 or 50% on my first SPX trade, and then I had to sell it for a small $5 loss, and then my second trade put me up only $75 on the day. But have a good rest of your guys' day. I hope you guys have been enjoying these vlog sessions. Let me know if the music's too loud. Let me know if you guys want me to change up anything. I'm going to work my best to make everything a whole lot better. So appreciate you guys following my journey. Yes, we got a nice 2-setup monitor screen. I'm loving it, guys. I love it so much. And like I said, guys, join the Discord. I'm telling y'all, very active, super active. You guys are gonna love it. Free Discord. Join the link in my bio. I'm dropping sauce every single day and showing you guys how it's done. Hope to see you guys in there. Catch you guys on the next one.